Well, it seems like Seiko are dropping new watches like there's no tomorrow. This time, a new line of SKX models named the SKX Suit Style watches. Let's take a look. This black and gold model being the SRPK99K and the navy blue model the 97K. These are automatics with the same Seiko 5 movement you're all used to, the 4R36. So from the insides, it's a normal Seiko 5, but it's really the exterior where many slight changes add up to a comparatively new look. Starting with the most obvious change to me, that is the handset. Reminiscent and likely imitating the Omega Seamaster handset, we see sharp, tapered hour and minute hands, both including LumiBright. The second hand also gets a slight update. Other cosmetic differences between these suit style models and the regular Seiko 5 sports models include a glass rotating bezel. On the side of the bezel, a new and more grippier texture provides a strong look. And finally, the stainless steel bracelet gets a slight update with the addition of these little polish surfaces on the links here. Things like the exhibition case back, clasp, crown, and case shape all remain exactly the same as other Seiko 5s. So of course the dimensions of that case remain the same, with the diameter staying at 42.5 millimeters. On my 17 centimeter wrist, you can see it fits just about right. That is, if you're happy with the slightly oversized look. Okay, so there's a quick look at two new Seiko SKX suit style watches. One being the black and gold and one the navy blue model. Which one do you prefer? Personally, I'm loving the look of the black and gold, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. And these are now available on the Watch Depot store, so if you'd like to pick one of these up, click that link in the description. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.